Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. When entering the Indian market, foreign medical device manufacturers must appoint an Indian Authorized Agent, or IAA. As stipulated under the Medical Device Rules 2017, the IAA is your legal representative in the country, managing all regulatory communications with the Central Drug Standard Control Organization, the CDSCO. The crucial point to understand is that the import license, granted in Form MD-15, is issued in the name of the IAA. This legally ties your product's registration to that specific entity, giving them control over your market access. A common early-stage strategy is to appoint a local commercial distributor as the IAA. While this seems efficient, it can create significant long-term business risks. By linking your regulatory registration to a commercial partner, you grant them powerful leverage. If you decide to change distributors, expand your network with additional partners, or if the commercial relationship deteriorates, your market access is at their mercy. They hold the license, and without their cooperation, you cannot simply move your products to a new partner, potentially leading to sales disruptions and difficult negotiations. The strategic solution is to transition to an independent IAA. An independent agent is a neutral entity focused purely on regulatory compliance, not on sales or distribution. This model decouples your legal registration from your commercial strategy. It provides you with the flexibility to appoint, change, or add distributors as your business needs evolve, all without impacting your product's registration status. You retain full control over your regulatory assets, ensuring business continuity and a stable foundation for growth in one of the world's fastest-growing medtech markets. The process of switching your IAA is not a simple transfer, but requires a fresh license application. First, you must formally terminate your agreement with the current distributor agent and, most critically, obtain a No-Objection Certificate, or NOC, from them. This document confirms their consent to the change and is vital for a smooth transition. Next, you execute a new power of attorney to appoint your new independent IAA. Your new agent then files a fresh import license application using Form MD-14. This application must include the NOC from the previous agent, an undertaking from you as the manufacturer confirming that the technical documentation, like the plant master file and device master file, are unchanged, and a copy of the previous import license. While it is always best to start with an independent agent from day one, making the switch is a critical step for any manufacturer looking to secure and scale their presence in India. It transforms your regulatory registration from a potential liability into a strategic asset, giving you the control and flexibility needed for long-term success. If you need guidance on navigating the complexities of the Indian market or any of the 30-plus markets we cover worldwide, we at Pure Global are here to help. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.